Wetin be one of those lies them where your parents don't tell you where you don't grow up now, you know say na lie. One of them na say if you swallow seed, if you chop apple now, you swallow the seed by mistake. Your mama go tell you say the seed go grow, the apple go grow on top of your head. So praise. Which one your mama, your papa tell you when you small? Now where you don't big small, you can't see say that thing must be a lie. It must be a lie.
Okay, my mama tell me say no follow boys who may they not touch you, or else you go get belle. And I lie. Na big lie.
Na big lie. You go deeper than that. Make you don't let them touch you, you go get belle. So that time you go come dey fear to talk to anybody, to near any guy where they around you. So that was a very, very big lie. But then we don't grow up for some of these things them, and that's so now where we just did. Who did the phone line there?
Hello, yo.
I greet you, yo.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning. Who they talk? Work different.
Mommy gift for Mama.
Mommy gift, well done.
Yes, man. Like the one our my parents tell me when I was small. He said if we drink coconut water, so the person not go no book again.
Yes, if you drink coconut water, you no go no book again. Yeah.
And if you eat fish eye, you no go sabi anything. All those kind lie. And now we can't not say coconut water good for body.
If you eat fish, you no go no book again. Oh, really? Who did the phone line there? Yo.
Good morning, sir.
Morning to you.
Sir Florence from AJ.
Okay, Flower. How you
Yes,
doing?
sir.
How you doing?
Adekajai.
All right, Flower.
The line where you know that one, this thing, one gecko.
Yeah, wild gecko.
Yes. My mama go say, no kill am o. If you kill am, you go begin peace for us with that o. So we just leave am there. But the thing go dey irritate me. Say make I kill am for one person. My mama go say, you go peace for us o.
You go peace for house for killing a wild gecko?
Then go say if my teeth comot sef.
Yeah.
Lizard.
Say the teeth no go grow again. Yes. Hey. Thank you so much. Now waiting on Igbo people, they take this. They say ferry waiting, then they call them. Say go give them $1. Then they call them
tooth fairy.
Tooth fairy. Say tooth fairy go give them $1 for if their teeth come out. Akoko. Now we they still bring the $1 out. Now we go still go hide the $1 under pillow. So that when Picky wake up, you go come there happy. Hey, tooth fairy. Tooth fairy gave me $1. Which work tooth fairy do? Where they give you $1? Or if they go wake up, can say Father Christmas say don't keep gift on that tree. Say hey, Santa. Onye wu Santa. Your papa go struggle, can't carry credit, gifts, and you can see children. They say thank you, Santa. Where papa, mama they dear. Who they dear?
Yeah.
I greet you.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Na Chama Sunday.
Chama Sunday, how you doing?
I dey fine, and you?
Thank God.
Yeah, the thing when my mother tell me is say, if your teeth come out, if you not throw them on top of the roof,
yes,
that teeth no go come up again.
If you no throw them on top of roof, that teeth no go come up again. Thank you. So, praise. You know leke.
Yes.
You get leke. How that finger this in?
No, I don't get them.
You don't get them. You don't do leke. You don't see. I
heard of it, but I hear about but I don't do
You don't do You don't do leke. Abami. Children of nowadays, when then they grow up, they know I don't know what they enjoy you. Na Nintendo game, na game. I say Nintendo. Children know they play Nintendo again now. They say they play Nintendo.
No, I don't know.
You don't know. So I no go know. This particular story will not make me happy because Lagos State Domestic and Sexual Violence Response Team, DSVRT, they don't talk say the amount of men where women they beat for their house now don't increase. Married, single, all of them, even boys them we just they stay with girlfriend. Even the ones where they married, then say the number don't increase. Just between January to June, they say they don't beat 194 men. Guys, Akbobi. It's supposed to get Akbobi. their women they beat them. This one a beat, oh, no be sexual own, beat. Where then they tell say, "Ngwa stool down there, kneel down, raise up your hand and close your eye." The man, matured man with beer for chest and face, go kneel down, carry hand up. Sometimes I don't know. Be like say men don't they lazy now. Wetin do your leg? You know if you run. Wetin do your leg? Can't you just take? Can't you escape? Can't you escape? Even though the reports where they get, then say women say follow because they say women too where then they beat too. Say women own still plenty. Women own still plenty. But guys own. They say they on the increase. And this one are for guys where agree to come out to come talk. Oh. That's the one video where one girl they talk. They talk saying a grandmama they beat in grandpapa. Say the grandpapa no fit to film. Film. The man no fit talk. Film. Yeah? So guys, Wetin they saw. Una don't lose the ability to run. Because wetin fight where you know if you fight, why not just run? Now this type then go they ask and say, why not just leave her? She they beat you. Why? You go say you can't understand. You can't understand where there is love. I they always talk and say men they pass through plenty things and then they know they speak up. Men they pass through different things and then they know they speak up. They know they speak up. So now then say 158 people even summon courage to speak up. You know say some people go they laugh them now. You know they shame. As a man, we get muscle. You get beer. Now you then go say make you stool down, make you go wash plates, and then you go wash up. No be laughing matter, oh. No be laughing matter, oh. Men they pass through things, so apart from the one where then they pass through self, will be emotional, will be because say they need to struggle hard to feed save family. You can't they beat the man on top. Hi. This thing really break my heart. This not just report of just January to June here. Now be this. Just January to June. Anyway, for any man waiting for that category, where then they beat. Sorry no. Ndon. Any man waiting for that category where then they beat. Nekuna sorry. And then the women too, where then still they beat. I tell us to make una sorry. Because nothing else when I want talk. I no support violence, domestic violence. If you dey for such, first way you go do na to waka comot first. Then una go come they settle, they solve una self.